I can't be an actor because I can't cry on cue. I can't dance. You don't even want to try. I can sing, but only in the shower. I've lost my singing voice. I could sing when I was younger. But I can give an engaging presentation. I know how to use my voice. I know how to present. I know how to capture the eyes of an audience. And what my job as a teacher is to capture their attention and drive home a critically important learning point for that day. And the best way to do it is to have them have a good time, not lose control. I've always got control of the class, but have a good time, tell a few jokes so they know that this is important, but it is not the end of the world. Enable them to learn it, make sure that they learn it, and then let them leave feeling good about them having spent an hour with me. That's what I want. If they're engaged and they're tuned in, then we're all going to have a good time. The other thing is, I don't let students nap in the class. By that, I mean, I don't wait for them to ask questions. I ask questions of them.